Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I will show you how to configure OSPF routing in FortiGate Firewall. As you can see here in our lab, we have three products. We have Juniper Router, and we have FortiGate Firewall, and we have Cisco Router, and also we have here Cisco Switch, and here I have laptop, and here I have server. So here I will make reachability by what? By the OSPF. So first of all, let's start with the Cisco Router. So I need to access in the Cisco Router. After that, now here, okay, I will give the address. Enable conft interface fast Ethernet 10. IP address is 12.0.0.1/24. Okay, now shut down. After that, also interface F fast Ethernet. Interface fast Ethernet 00 with IP address 10.0.1.255.255.252/30. Okay, now shut down. After that, need to configure router OSPF. Okay, so let's access directly. Interface F10. Okay, IP OSPF 1 area 0. Okay, also interface F0/0 IP OSPF 1 area 0. Okay, so now already I activate the OSPF. Okay, so now let's go now to what? To Juniper Router. Also need to configure the same things. Okay, set interface giga 004 unit 0 family inet address 13.0.0.125 /24. okay, then set interface for 11. So here we have 11.2. okay, 11.2, but here /30, and change the interface to 3. okay, then need to configure routing option to give the router ID. Set, what's the problem? Set, okay, set routing option, router ID. Here I will give 11.0.0.2. let's give 11.0.0.2. okay, then set protocol OSPF. okay, area 00, interface giga 00, 3 and 4. okay, then what? Then commit. So now the last one we have the firewall, but here firewall I don't wanna use the CLI. To be easy, I will use the GUI. okay, so let's start. So here FortiGate address is 35 for me. So now already I access to the firewall. okay, to the firewall FortiGate. Now need to what? Need to configure what? Need to configure the interface port 2 and port 3. Port 1 already I configured in the last video. You can check my channel. okay, the last video in the FortiGate. Now need to configure the port 2 and port 3 and activate the OSPF protocol. So let's start to now go to the network. After that, go to the interfaces. okay, after that port 1 already configured. Now need to start configure the port 2. okay, let's access to the port 2, double click. So now if you want to give the description, for example, to Cisco Router, okay, the rule is LAN or WAN or DMZ. So let's keep it as LAN or WAN. You can choose the WAN because we are using the router. It's better to use, or skip this one to, or you can we can keep it, no problem. okay, so estimate bandwidth. So no need, let's do by default. okay, and here manually or DSCP, so now I need to use it manually. 10.0.0.2 I think, yes, 02, and the mask is 255, 255, 255, 255, 252. Okay, let's remove this one. Okay, so it's okay now. Now need to check the IP administrative access. Let's to check the SSH and the ping. Also, if you want to receive LLDP for discover your neighbor, that's enable also receive and transmit. Okay, after that need to set okay. So the port 2 is physical interface already configured. If you now try to ping from Cisco router to ping 10.0.0.2, if can ping or not 10.0.0.2. okay, so ping successful as you can see. Or you can also ping from FortiGate from CLI. So here there is icon CLI console by using execute ping 10.0.0.1. okay, so ping successful as you can see. Now let's go to configure the port number 3 with the same configuration as before. So here to the Juniper router, okay, and here let's 1 because we are using the router. Also here need to change it to 11.0.0.1. okay, and here 255, 255, 255, 252. After that check the ping and SSH. okay, also enable the LLDP, and also if you want to use the comments, no problem, enable yes, the states be up. okay, if you want to disable the port, make the disable here. okay, after that if you checking now the routing table for the FortiGate by CLI by using this command get router info routing table all. As you can see, we have the static already, we do it the last video, and we have 2 connected or 3 connected. This one, this network 10, 11 and 192.168.174. okay, now need what? Need to configure the OSPF. OSPF already configured in the Cisco router and Juniper router. Now need to configure it in the FortiGate firewall. So let's start here to go in the OSPF. okay, need to configure router ID. The router ID I will give 11.0.0.1. okay, and after that the area, define the area I will use the area 0. okay, then okay. After that need to mention the network directly connected to see all the so here need to choose the 00, and here we have 2 network, we have 10.0.0 and we have 11.0.0 and we have 192.168.174. so let's do 00/30. okay, /30 directly connected. Sorry, here create another 0 and also 11.0.0/30. okay, then create another one for in the area 0 also 192.168.174.0/24. okay, after that need to mention our interfaces. The interface here to Cisco router. okay, we have the interface to Cisco router in the port 2. okay, here if you want to make the cost. okay, and here if you want to make the authentication. As you know, in the authentication OSPF we have 3. We have non plain text and MD5. If you want to do it, let's do the plain text, and if you want to change the password, so I wanna we not do the authentication, and the cost make it by default. okay, and here if you want to change the interval, the hello and date time, let's do the the default configuration, okay, and create also to Juniper router, okay, and here choose the interface to Juniper, okay, then okay, so just these two, then apply, okay, then apply. As you can see now, if you now check the routing table again, you will see the new network seed by OSPF. Let's now check. Not yet, not yet. Normally we receive the update. So now I receive the update of the OSPF. I can see 00 to 1200 and 1300, okay, by what? By administrative 110, okay, and cost 2. 110 like Cisco, you see the administrative in the FortiGate for the OSPF is the same like Cisco. In the Juniper, I think 10. Yes, exactly. So now if you try to ping now, if you try to ping from this PC to this server, you can be reachable. Let's do first of all the IP for this PC is 12.0.0.2.255.255.0. The gateway is 12.0.0.1, okay, and for the server need to configure also IP 13.0.0.2.255.255.50 13.0.0.1. So now if you try to ping to the server, I think we can ping to what? To 13.0.0.2. Okay, ping not reachable. Why? Normally I can ping. Why we cannot ping? Let's check the routing table here. Show IP route. Okay, I can see 13, the network of 13. And here let's check in the run show route. I can see also by OSPF the 12. Why I can't ping? The ping to what? To 13.0.0.2. Still have not ping. Why I can't ping? If you ping again, so you see we check all the routing table and I can see all things. So if you try to ping again, you cannot. Why? If you now go in the FortiGate, okay, in the FortiGate in the in the network here, and go to the policy objects, okay, and try to access to IPv4 policy, you will see there is the rule to deny all things by the firewall, you see. So now what we will do, we will open at least the ping, okay. So let's create a new one, create a new. So the name now this policy, for example, open, for example, open ICMP, the protocol responsible for ping, called the ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol. The incoming interface from what? From Cisco Router, okay, and the outgoing interface from what? To Juniper Router, okay. The source, let's give the source all, okay, and destination give the all also. And if you want to schedule the traffic, for example, in the from 8 morning to 5 p.m. for example, you can create, but let's do always in this case. After that, the service here I will check all ICMP service, okay, or you can choose the all traffic, okay. Let's do only all ICMP service, okay, then accept or deny. For our case we want to accept it, okay, then press to OK to save the configuration. Okay, now we have a new rule. open the ICMP, okay, and the action is accept, okay, the action is accept. So now let's try to ping from this PC again. Ping to 13.0.0.2. As you can see now, the ping is successful. So this is how to configure the OSPF in the FortiGate, and also how to open the ports of the ICMP or any traffic want to pass it from the firewall. Thank you so much for your watching and consideration. See you in the next video.